Welcome back to Body Politic PT exercises. Put the arch back in your march with today's exercise, foot ignition. Let's begin. Stand on a flat surface with your feet hip-width apart. We will be focusing on one foot at a time. Step 1. Place the pen or pencil under the center of the arch of your foot. Step 2. By flexing the muscles in the sole of your foot, lift your arch off of the pen. You can curl your toes to help you do this. Step 3. After becoming familiar with which muscles you should be activating, now try to do this without curling your toes. Even try to keep your toes completely relaxed as you flex your arch muscles. This is a challenge as we are establishing a new brain-to-muscle connection. Be patient and practice a couple minutes every day. Foot ignition is categorized as a fundamental exercise, meaning we are working out the core muscles of the foot. Your foot is the first contact you have with the ground and can affect how the rest of your body moves. Having poor foot intrinsic strength can lead to knee pain, hip pain, back pain, or even headaches for some people. Especially if you struggle with ankle sprains, foot stability may be the component you're missing. Finally, make sure to work on all three arches: the medial arch, the lateral arch, and the transverse arch. Thanks for stopping by for a Body Politic PT exercise tutorial. Remember, doing a little a day goes a long way. Don't forget to consult your personal PT if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.